सर वो कौन सी ऐसी स्किल या कौन सी ऐसी जॉब्स है जो आपको लगता है अब बड़ी होंगी एआई वाले एरा में आपसे?
I think, personally, I think this AI thing, job losses is overrated
ओके।
because AI tools. भाई जब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल आया था,
हाँ जी।
people said accountants will lose their jobs.
हुँ।
Accountants didn't lose their jobs.
वेरी नॉट
They
यस।
used Microsoft Excel to do their jobs better,
हुँ।
right? Ultimately, जब whenever there was a PC on every desk or a laptop on every desk, right? People said typists. You see, there used to be. आपने कोई मैनुअल टाइपराइटर देखा है?
मेन्यू?
मैनुअल टाइपराइटर.
या
So
मेरी
every.
मम्मी वाज़ अ स्टेनो
हाँ, so
एट पीडब्ल्यूडी।
okay. So the thing is that job is out
हाँ।
because now PCs are available
हुँ।
and most people send their own emails now, right? So, but the stenos have began to do different things.
करेक्ट।
People adapted.
हुँ।
So I don't think that's going to happen in a hurry. That AI will replace all jobs. That people adapt, people do things.
ओके।
People learn to use AI to
हुँ,
do,
हुँ,
do their jobs better.
हुँ।
So in the organization that your mother used to work in,
पीडब्ल्यूडी यस।
manual typewriters है कि नहीं है?
था?
अभी है?
अब नहीं होगा।
अब नहीं है ना?
नहीं,
पीसीज है.
पीसीज़ होंगे हाँ,
तो पीसीज में
कम
वही
से
लोग
कम।
काम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, करेक्ट, करेक्ट। हुँ, हुँ। सर इंडिया स्टोरी कैसी दिखती है आपको स्टार्टअप्स में? इंडिया कुछ ऐसा क्यों नहीं बना पाता? ये एक और नैरेटिव है सोशल मीडिया में कि हम कुछ गूगल जैसा या फिर हम कुछ एलएलएम वैसा कुछ क्यों नहीं बना पाए आज तक? हम कुछ आईपी बेस्ड क्यों नहीं बना पा रहे?
See, I'll tell you.
वेरी रिसेंटली आए।
So
हाँ,
this question is to be asked to me a lot.
हाँ, ओके।
20-25 साल पहले, why has India not made Google?
हाँ,
The answer is very simple.
हुँ,
Uh, the best consumer products are made where the consumers are.
ओके,
Right? Why has no foreign job site been able to come and unseat Naukri? Because Naukri is relevant for the Indian user.
करेक्ट,
And why is it relevant? Because we understand the Indian consumer, the job seeker, the employer,
श्योर,
better than any foreign company can understand it.
मेक सेंस, ठीक है।
So Google was made in the US because it was initially targeted at the US user. And why was it targeted the US user? Because the largest market was there.
हुँ,
The largest pool of capital was there.
हुँ,
The kind of engineering resources that went into making Google and making it great and making it run required the kind of capital that only Silicon Valley had.
करेक्ट,
And why did Silicon Valley have that capital? Because the market is so large in the US that the payoff could be such that those VCs could make money.
हुँ,
Right now, the best consumer product which is relevant to India and only India will be made in India. But if India wants a global product, which is what Google is, the Google of India is Google.
करेक्ट,
You don't need an Indian search engine,
श्योर, मेक सेंस।
right? And that's why Google was built in India,
हुँ,
built in the US. Now, likewise for AI and LLMs, the kind of money that has gone into building LLMs, each LLM, 20-30-50 billion dollar. $1 billion is right now about 9,500 crores.
या
So 20 billion is 2 lakh crore. अगर 2 लाख करोड़ का LLM बनाना है आपको, right? Then will the Indian market justify that investment and give you the kind of revenue? You don't know yet.
हुँ,
Secondly, 2 लाख करोड़ कौन इन्वेस्ट करेगा?
हाँ,
कौन इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है?
हुँ,
वीसी नहीं करेंगे, पी भी नहीं करेगा. Okay, it'll have to be a very large balance sheet.
हुँ,
If you look at who built the LLMs, it is companies with large balance sheets gave
करेक्ट,
the first money
करेक्ट, हुँ,
because they viewed it as strategic
हुँ,
to their main business.
हुँ,
There are 4 or 5 or maybe 7, 8, 10 companies in the private sector, maybe 5 or 6 in public sector, plus the government. The candidate list of who can build an LLM India and fund it is 15 से 20 organizations. Now they have to believe that it is relevant to their main business because they're listed companies. They have to work for their shareholders.
करेक्ट,
That it will create value for the shareholders. It
हुँ,
cannot be. You do not invest 2 lakh crores in India on speculation.
करेक्ट,
No prudent business will do it.
हाँ, बट ये वेस्ट में होता है, यूएसए में होता है।
West में,
Hmm.
so the West में,
कैपिटल इज़ देयर।
West में those companies have got very large balance sheets.
हाँ,
What LLMs are strategic to them, they are adjacent to what they're doing.
हुँ,
It will create value for the shareholders, they believe. So they're doing it.
एंड 2 लाख करोड़ फॉर देम इज़ $20 बिलियन।
Yeah.
हुँ, इट्स नॉट अ बिग, मतलब
It's
उनके
big,
लिए
but
बहुत
it's,
बड़ा है।
yeah, it's big, but
हाँ,
it's but India के लिए, if any company
हाँ,
invests 2 lakh crores
हाँ,
and then it goes down the tube,
हुँ,
it can be debilitating.
हुँ, मेक्स सेंस है।
It's a big money game, LLM.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक इंडिया विल मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड? कि ज़रूरत भी है, ज़रूरत तो है मुझे लगता है।
See, fortunately or unfortunately, with 1.4 billion people,
हाँ,
why has Naukri not gone global?
हुँ,
It's because the Indian market is large enough for us.
करेक्ट,
We are still growing and we are okay.
करेक्ट,
We know that consumer best.
हुँ,
So we're doing what we know
हुँ,
in a market that's large enough and growing.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
And that is our mission.
हुँ,
Now, if you go and ask me to launch a job site in the US, I'm not familiar with that job market, with that market here.
राइट।
So I won't do it.
सर ये आर्गुमेंट बिल्कुल वैलिड आर्गुमेंट है, लेकिन देन यू हैव टू फॉर द कंट्री एज़ इन कि कंट्री बेटर कैसे
Ask,
करेगा?
so आप करो country, you go and do a podcast in the US and go and appeal to that audience.
नो, 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 इट
No,
इज़
no, no. Will you do it? You'll not do it.
आई विल नॉट।
Because you know the Indian audience best, yeah. You know who
Yeah.
your audience is.
हुँ,
तो आप देश के लिए कर लो, देश के लिए बलिदान करो अपना,
हुँ,
सेक्रीफाइस करिए, आप नहीं करोगे।
हुँ। मतलब मुझे लगता है इंटेंट तो किसी और का भी, जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यूएस में कोई बैठा है, उसका भी देश इंटेंट नहीं होगा, उसका भी इंटेंट तो
People are,
इन्फर्स्ट
yeah,
होगा।
with invisible hand, Adam Smith
हुँ,
works.
हुँ,
You know Adam Smith, invisible.
या,
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक
People
है।
act in their own self-interest.
हाँ,
In that process, a greater good is achieved.
मे यस, ओके।